DIY front-end repair on my daughter's 2005 Chrysler Sebring convertible. Hey, what's up? Welcome to Romy's DIY Projects. If any of these projects that I do help you out, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and that bell. This project is a nice lengthy one, so it'll be broken down into parts. This will be part 1. I will be being more consistent with my videos, and Happy New Year. Let's get into it. Hello, YouTubers. This is Romy. I'm about to fix my daughter's bumper. Her car was hit by a car and tore up her bumper, so I went to Pick and Pull, St. Louis, and got this bumper, and it has 2 splits in it and one over here, and I gotta fix that first before I can put it back on her car. So I gotta start with this. I've already cleaned it, and all you gotta do is clean it with some soap and water, and I always follow everything up with a little alcohol to make sure there's no residue of anything on it. This is an aluminum foil tape. Got to get this bumper to the position that it's supposed to be in so I can fix it from the other side first. On these cracks, I'm trying to bring them together as close as possible to the original position, to where they came apart, so that when I mold them back together, they'll be in the exact position that they were. And I'm folding that down so it'd be easy for me to peel that off when it's time to peel it off. And you have to go around the edge too. If your split happens around the edge, you have to take care of the edge too, otherwise it won't line up right. Turn the bumper over. Okay, this is the inside of the bumper where the split is, where we have to start sanding this down so that we can refill it with the plastic that'll fill this back in, and it'll mold it together. And I'm going to sand this side, and I'm going to sand this side. You got to get that shine off this plastic. Plastic will not adhere when you plastic welding it. It won't adhere to it.